How to fix Xbox app not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox app not opening on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here type Xbox and then click on it. Now just scroll down until you find storage and then click clear cache. And now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.